Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. If you're watching this video, chances are you're wondering if Steam is down. Maybe you're trying to log in and you're getting a screen that looks something like this. Well, it's safe to say that yes, Steam is down. You are definitely not alone here. The cause of this outage could be a number of different things, but the unofficial Steam status says it might have been maintenance. Maybe they tried to fix something, maybe they tried to update something and just broke something in the process. In terms of how long Steam is going to be down for, we don't know the answer to that. It could be a couple of minutes, it could be a couple of hours, it could be a day or two. Realistically, not a day or two, probably just a couple of hours here. And in the meantime, feel free to hit that like button. If you didn't like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, check out my other videos. Thank you everyone, take care.